Hey everyone, welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. And if you're local to the Bucks County or Montgomery County, Pennsylvania areas, and you're finding us for the first time, then welcome to Turner Mobile Detailing. Now if you found this video, that means you're looking for a local and reputable auto detailer. And specifically, if you're watching this video, that means that you're looking for not just exterior protection for your vehicle, but also protection for the interior of your vehicle. So that means we're not only going to be coating the leather upholstery, but we're also going to be coating the steering wheel wrapping and also the leather armrests. And we're going to be doing it with System X interior. Let's get started. Now every leather surface in this vehicle has already been cleaned using a chemical and steam cleaning process. So all the leather is nice and clean. As you can see, it's got that nice matte to satin finish, denoting nice, clean, bare leather. So on a normal interior detail, at this point, it would be time to just apply the leather conditioner. However, this is not a normal detail. Again, we're going to be applying a ceramic coating to our leather, or in this case, leatherette surfaces. So before we do that, even though the leather is clean, we want to make sure it's free of any residue from the cleaner. So what I'm going to do is wipe it all down with an alcohol and distilled water mixture. That's going to make sure there's no residue of anything left over on the upholstery so that the ceramic coating can bond fully. Now on this Tesla, it's not actually real leather upholstery. Some years ago, Tesla migrated all their upholstery over to fake leather, or leatherette as they call it. And then eventually even the steering wheel wrapping was done in leatherette. That way the whole vehicle is entirely not only electric, but vegan. Okay, so now that all our upholstery surfaces have been fully cleaned and wiped down with the alcohol distilled water solution, they've had time to fully dry. Now they're ready to receive System X's interior ceramic coating. Now System X interior ceramic coating will leave the surface completely protected from UV damage and any damage from spills, and completely impervious to staining. It also will provide long-term protection against any chemical stains. And once it dries, it will dry to a nice, clean, matte looking finish. Your upholstery surfaces will look completely natural. System X interior will not discolor any upholstery fabrics, and most importantly, it'll provide long-term protection. Okay, so System X interior has been fully applied to every stitch of upholstery inside this Tesla, including the steering wheel, the armrests, both on the doors and in the center console. So we're going to give it about 15-20 minutes to do its initial cure, and then we'll come back to see what it looks like. Okay, so the interior of this Tesla is fully complete. The System X interior ceramic coating has had a chance to do its initial cure time. It's been about 15 to 20 minutes. It's safe to sit on and drive the car after about 30 minutes. So if you have this installed, you definitely want to make sure it's fully cured before you bring any foods or liquids into the vehicle that you could possibly spill and ruin the coating. So now that the coating has had its initial dry time, let's take a look around and see what it looks like. As you can see, it's got a very low gloss sheen to it, if any at all. If anything, it really brings out the natural luster of the leather, or in this case, the leatherette upholstery. To me, it really gives an extra level of depth to the black upholstery. A System X interior is going to last around 3 years with normal everyday use. It's really rated anywhere from 2 to 5 years. 5 years longevity being the absolute best, the kind of car that you barely ever drive, maybe a weekend car or a show car. And 2 years maybe on a family vehicle that has a lot of kids, that sees a lot of action, a lot of abuse. You may not get past the 2-year longevity mark in that kind of environment. But on average, around 3 to 4 years for your normal everyday driver, a car that sees normal use, nothing too extreme, and definitely not a garage queen either. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Again, if you're from the Bucks County or Montgomery County local area here in Pennsylvania, please don't hesitate to give us a call if you're looking to get your interior completely protected. System X Interior will do your whole interior, not just your leather or vinyl seats, everything except the glass inside your vehicle, from leather, vinyl, cloth upholstery, hard and touch, plastic surfaces, as well as your carpet, both high pile and low pile carpeting. System X Interior carries the same longevity with all these surfaces and will give the interior of your vehicle long-term, long-lasting protection against UV damage, spills, or any other wear and tear that you and your family inflict on your vehicle's interior. You can find our contact information down below in the description. You can see our website at turnermobiledetailing.com, and if you click on the menu option ceramic coatings, click on the quick links option for interiors, there you'll find all our interior options for your size vehicle. Now our pricing is listed as the full interior, but just give us a call or shoot us an email and we can work out a custom price if you want just your plastics done or just your carpets, or in this case with this Tesla, just your upholstery. So thanks for watching everyone. Again, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing. Please feel free to leave us a comment below, and please like this video if you found it useful or informative. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That way you won't miss any future auto detailing content just like this. Again, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.